All right, it's a Monday, July probably 35th, 36th or something, maybe July 40th. Car is absolutely full of packages. We got K-Pop, Calico, Charlie, we got Kennedy, we got Tyler, we got me. I got stuff. I got so much stuff, it was ridiculous. My head's just spinning because it is 3:50. I have 10 minutes to get to the post office, which is about 5 minutes away. It took me 20 minutes to load the car. But the problem is I have to go get all this hardware and all these special pieces and then go to my P.O. box and, grab all the packages for all the parts that we have and then, mill. I have to lathe all this aluminum. It's a lot of work. And as soon as I get to the lab, I've got 25 minutes to get to the post office to drop off all these packages, which I have like $800 in shipping tied up right now because I had to repurchase one shipping label and that was $200. So I made a $200 mistake that I'll get paid back for in 2 weeks. Life lessons, right? Now that it's almost 4 p.m., I'm actually going to drop off the rest of these packages. I normally can't do it on any day but a Tuesday. Mondays are meetings, and most of the meetings got pushed aside. Tuesdays, I have a little bit of time. I can do those shipping packages. But I've been so busy with all of your custom orders and making all these awesome bikes that it's made my time even thinner. And last week, I think I slept 20 hours. Last week. All week, I got 20 hours of sleep. And this week looks just about as busy as last week was. It's crazy. I'm very grateful. It's just nuts. All right, I'm gonna go drop off some packages. Get a little eastbound and down, loaded up here, trucking. I got 7 minutes to drop this crap off. Oop, hit the brakes. Getting close. I got 6 minutes. Are they open? Are they open? Are they open? Is this lady gonna get kicked out? Ooh, she gonna get kicked out? She gonna get kicked out? Nope, she didn't get kicked out. All right. Open sesame. USPS, USPS, UPS, UPS, UPS. Okay, cool. Oh, it don't fit, huh? Go figure. Something doesn't fit a razor. Running low again. This is exciting. Look at that. We're running low. Appreciated. I'm gonna have to call the plasma guy again.
Sweet on Your boy.